The minister has promised next week she will give a response, but we're not looking forward to a response. We are looking forward to our economic authority. By now, the time has substantiate and pass for a decision to have be given. Right now, it's time for us to be granted our economic authority. It's very sad that up to now we still cannot get our economic authority. So I think that there is a protection of monopoly on the market, and I think that is wrong, in my opinion.
Okay, we also heard that you are putting pressure on the parliament.
No, we're not putting pressure on the parliament. Curacao is a parliamentarian system without a constitutional court. So the only person that can hold government accountable is the parliament, and the committee of transportation is where we want to present our business model to the people. Second, we want to have a precise understanding of what the correct measures of the process is, because obviously in Curacao it seems to be like they don't follow the rules on black and white. They follow black and white when it's convenient, but today they're not following black and white. So going to Parliament, illustrating what our company is, what we're planning to do, present this to the people, because now the business of Ava Airways has been in the public domain. And now, because it's been in the public domain, we have to bring it to Parliament and ask Parliament to question government on why this thing is taken as a much longer pace that is at.